Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Rivian charging preferences in the Rivian app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Rivian app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the charging tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the charging tab to enter the charging settings. Here, you will see your current charging status and preferences. To customize preferences, locate and select Charging Preferences. In this section, you can set your charging limits. Choose a preferred charge level by adjusting the slider. You can set it between 50% to 100% for daily driving needs. Next, look for the Scheduled Charging option. Tap on Scheduled Charging to set a specific time for charging. You can choose to charge during off-peak hours for cost savings. Select the days of the week you want the schedule to apply. After setting your time preferences, confirm your choices. Now, head to the Home Charging section. Here, you can input details about your home charging station. Add the charging location and any specific settings required. If applicable, enable notifications for charging status updates. Save all your preferences to apply the changes. Finally, test the settings by plugging in your vehicle. Your Rivian app will now reflect your customized charging preferences. You're all set to enjoy a seamless charging experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.